Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine or hair wash routine. So if you like seeing this content, anything related to beauty, makeup, hair, how to take care of your hair or your child's hair, simple kids hairstyle, and installing your lace fronts, doing your makeup, everything like that, then definitely this channel is for you. You're at the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post any new video, and you're welcome to my channel. Okay, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for always tuning back in. So I am going to be showing you guys this super healthy kids hair wash day. So I started off by taking off her last the braid she had on, and then I'll be washing her hair with this Tresemme shampoo. This shampoo, I've been using this shampoo like for for a while now, and I really like it. So I do go ahead to use that. If I am not using the Tresemme shampoo, I always use like the Shea Moisture. That product is another product that I love and I recommend. I really love their kids products. So I will definitely be going back on that for the kids, but I will keep using the Tresemme for me. So that's it. So I wash off her hair with the Tresemme shampoo. And after that, I try to comb it out. I comb out her hair and make sure everything is clean and neat. Everything, her hair is neatly washed. And then I go ahead with this mixture on her hair. I put that on her hair and then wrap it with what's it called, wrap it with, and then I wrap it up. Well, you will definitely see like a shower cap. Oh lord, I can't get my words out, I don't even know. Wrap it up with a shower cap, and then I leave it for a while before washing it off. If you're wondering what the mixture is, I will leave everything in the description box down below. It's avocado, I have avocado, I have honey in there, I have some lemon, I have all the good stuff in there, so I put that in. I have some ACV, all the healthy good stuff. I have all of them mixed in there, and this is definitely made at home. It's not being sold or anything, so you can as well go ahead and grab yours, make yours. It's simple home remedy or home whatever you want to call it for hair growth and for wash day. I make sure I massage that very well properly into her scalp, then I cover it up. Before I cover it up with this particular shower cap. And then we are back. She has been carrying this for a while, and then I am ready to wash everything off. As you can see, the color of her hair changed, and this thing definitely is like it's like a conditioner, so you can easily comb out your hair and everything. You can see how healthy her hair is looking right here. You can see her hair looking really healthy, and it works like it popped. I was just so amazed and surprised at how the curls started popping out. I was like, wow, wow, this is so amazing. This is so amazing, you guys. And yeah, it works. So try it out and tag me on Instagram at Beauty by Ada, or you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you do try it, go ahead and leave a comment. So of course I go ahead to wash off everything, and you definitely still have some, what's it called, like residue of the avocado and all that, but that's fine. I mean, avocado, that doesn't kill, that doesn't hurt nobody, so that's still fine. So I just go ahead and comb it out just to try and remove some of the avocados left on her hair, and after that I leave her hair alone. Like, you don't need to stress much about it. You don't need to stretch much. It's just avocado, and it's nothing much. It's nothing that serious. You can see how healthy her hair is growing. If you've been a subscriber on this channel, you must have come across the video of how I grew her hair from like nothing, literally nothing, to this right here. Like, This is such a miracle, you guys. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave that video in the description box, and I'll also link it up here. Do go ahead and check that video out. I'll definitely link it. It will be very helpful for you if you're trying to grow your hair out, and if you're trying to just go ahead and grab that. So after that, I go in with the mixture, my hair growth mixture. Like, that is my secret hair growth mixture, but I share that with everybody on this channel. I shared it on this channel, so why not go ahead and watch that particular video so you can get everything. I give you guys the real tea, the real deal. No hiding anything, no nothing. We need to grow our hair together, okay? So I go ahead and massage that particular mixture. That's another mixture, the cream, into her scalp. And after doing that, I don't just like leaving the hair, because if you have a 4C hair, you know that once you're done washing your hair and you leave it like that, it goes, like, the shrinkage is real, you guys. So what I do, I normally like doing, if I am not like making the hair immediately, I do go ahead and just pat it down and do some braids, just braid it down so it doesn't go back, like the shrinkage. It doesn't have the shrinkage and all that. And because it's a 4C natural hair, it can be really difficult to comb out when you leave it like that after washing it, and then you're coming back to comb it out, and it can be really painful. So you don't want your child going through that. So I just, now that it's still wet, I like pat them into different sizes and just braid them down like that and let them air dry. I do not apply it on their hair. I do not apply it to their hair whatsoever. However, I do not apply it, so I always leave it to air dry, and that's fine. It's fine. So if you're here right now and that button is still red, it means you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please be sure to check that you're subscribed. Do go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate you all, and you're welcome to my channel. That helps my channel to grow. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, as I like interacting with everyone on the comment section down there. So please do go ahead and leave your comment in the comment section to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share this information, share this video with your friends and family so they can also get the information. They can also, don't keep this to yourself, that's not nice. So do go ahead and share this information, guys, and just share my videos, and that helps my channel a whole lot, and I really do appreciate you all. So as you can see what I am doing, patting her hair and just basically braiding them down, because I'll leave them to air dry, and I don't want them to have any shrinkage. So you can see how much her hair has grown in the past just how many months. Like, you can see that. You guys, you need to watch that video. I'll leave the link again in the description box, and I'll leave it up there somewhere. You will definitely see that link. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will definitely be seeing you all in my next video. Don't forget to leave your video suggestions down in the comment section. Tell me what next you would like to see. Tell me what video you would like to see, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.